let's do a little Korean nighttime skincare routine together. Starting with my Then I Met You cleansing balm because I got some sunscreen on my face because I'm in a state of sunshine. Thank goodness! Because if you guys didn't know, I just moved here from Seattle and I'm so excited. If you're from Seattle, you know. Fun fact, when I was younger, my mom used to use cleansing balms on me all the time, but they weren't normalized in America yet, so it's so nice to see K-beauty be so embraced now. I literally remember her doing the same exact thing to me, so this is such a full circle moment. And look at everything that makeup balm got off. Next, we are gonna go in with the Aestura Cream Mist. Now, because I am in a new environment, my skin has definitely been needing more hydration. So I'm just gonna go in with this sleeping mask. And last, but certainly not least, we have the infamous Biodance Collagen Mask. It looks a little scary putting it on, but don't worry. It's all worth it. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I think we're ready for sleep. Gotta get that beauty rest. Bye.